Hello, my awesome apples. Hi, Reagan, Landon, Kylam, Bodie, Torin, Jayanera, and Kennedy and Sophia. I've missed you all, and I'm sorry that we still can't be together, but we get to have a little video to be able to talk and try to do our morning meeting like we normally would. So, we're going to get started with our calendar today, and then we'll move on to counting and a new letter friend for this week. So, let's get started. We have our March calendar still up. We're almost done with March, but we have a couple days left. Yesterday was the 29th, so after 29 comes 30. Today is the 30th of March. And today is Monday, the first day back to the school week or a work week, which means yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. The season has changed. Before vacation, it switched from winter, we can say goodbye to winter and hopefully any cold weather coming, and now it is officially spring. So we should have warmer weather. That also means more rain, but I'll take it. The weather today is partly cloudy. We've got some clouds and some sun, and it's pretty nice temperature outside. Now, we're going to count by 5s and by 10s. So, let's start counting. We will start by doing our counting by 10 song, and you can count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's how you count by 10s. All right, let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, we are going to get to learn a new letter friend today. Now, this letter friend makes kind of a funny sound, but I think you're gonna like it. We are going to get to know our letter friend, Mr. Q. Say hi to Mr. Q. So, Mr. Q would like you to get to know him, and then you'll get to hear his song. So, here's all of Mr. Q's story. I'm Mr. Q. My head is filled with questions. It's good to ask questions because you learn quite a lot. One time, Miss P took a trip and wanted me to feed her pigs. I forgot to ask questions like, what do pigs eat? How much should they eat? I fed them a large quantity of food. That means a lot of food. The pigs got sick because they ate too much. Oh, Mr. Q. Now I always ask questions. Dinosaurs are quite fascinating. I go to the library to read books that answer many of my questions about them. You have to be very quiet in the library. We know that. We go to the library and we're respectful and quiet too. When I travel to the quiz contest, I have so many questions about my trip. I make a list of my questions. What is the distance? What is the quickest way to get there? What is the weather? When I get answers to my questions, I am so glad I asked. My sound is the sound you hear at the beginning of the word questions. Say it with me. Questions. Find my hidden letters. I have a capital Q hidden among my question marks, and my mouth forms a capital Q, like this. Take a look. Can you see the hidden Q? Maybe. Oh, there it is. And his mouth is a Q too. It's a circle, but it has that little line off to the side. That means it's a Q, not just an O. And his clothes are filled with question marks all over his pants and his shirt. So to make a capital Q, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is make a circle, like an O. You can do that. And then you make a little line off to the side, and you're done. The lowercase q looks different though. Take a look. It kind of, well, I apologize, it's going to be backwards for you. But you make a circle and a straight line down similar to a P, but then it has a little hook that goes off to the side, and that is how you know that it's a Q. So Would you like to hear his song? Mr. Q's song is going to be a conga, so it'll be a fun song to dance to. Feel free to dance.
My head is filled with questions, questions, questions. My head is filled with questions that I want to ask. My head is filled with questions, questions, questions. My head is filled with questions that I want to ask. I'm Mr. Q. I have so many questions, and if I ask my questions, I'll learn a lot. I'm Mr. Q. I have so many questions, and if I ask my questions, I'll learn a lot. My head is filled with questions, questions, questions. My head is filled with questions that I want to ask. I'm Mr. Q. I have so many questions, and if I ask my questions, I'll learn a lot. I'm Mr. Q. I have so many questions, and if I ask my questions, I'll learn a lot.
Well, there is Mr. Q's song for us. So, what sound does he make again? Qua, like the sound you hear at the beginning of the word question. It's kind of like a K and a W together. K and wa. Qua, question. See if you can think of some other words that start with qua. I'll see you later. Bye, friends.